Hey guys!
So welcome back to our family. Welcome back to the journey with the Jacksons. We're so glad to have you here today. It's getting to the Christmas season.
Yeah, so we're doing a video on what's it about, babes?
On 5 things that you definitely must have to have an authentic Jamaican
Only
Christmas.
five, yeah, though?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, so we're just gonna tell them 5, and then guess what? They can tell us the ones that they think
tell
we've
us
left
that,
out.
that we are missing out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all right, guys. So to kick it off, number 1.
Yeah.
So for me to have an authentic Jamaican Christmas, a must-have is sorrel.
Yes, that is a must.
That is a
That is
must.
a must. With the sorrel, the ginger is a must.
Yeah.
The ginger is a must in the sorrel.
Yeah.
And some people use the pimento, put pimento in the sorrel. For me,
I don't like the
fancy
flavor.
that.
No.
Or maybe if you just use a little, but some person like a lot.
Yeah.
No, it kind of give it a different taste that me not so fancy.
Yeah. I don't like it. I simply love it with ginger and well coal, and I'll be good to go. And I can't have too much sorrel.
Yeah,
I can't get tired of it.
Sorrel,
I love me some sorrel. Yes.
What am I must have now? Guess what? Fruit cake.
Fruit cake.
Have to have fruit cake.
No, but it's not just any fruit cake, you know, it's a Jamaican styled fruit cake.
Yeah, man, the one with the no wine off in it.
What you say?
That's a
But it's not an authentic Jamaican
well to all
cake.
me love fruit cake. No wine off in it. But
no, baby, but it's not an authentic Jamaican fruit cake.
yeah,
If it don't have all the mixed fruits,
yes,
all the what is it,
the
raisins,
some people use prunes,
what else?
you remember the red one in it too?
And a mixed fruits though?
Mixed fruits, yeah.
Yeah.
I know some people soak them thing from
September,
the year before or so.
September.
So you know, say when that mixture start, everything rich, everything rich cake, nice cake, turn up.
So that is definitely a must with the Ray nephew or Ray and nephew better yet.
So you go in the fridge, you take out a little bit of the sorrel, and you cut a slice of the cake, you put in a one dish, and you find one corner, and then my style is the next half hour, I'm gonna again for piece more.
Yeah,
man, rotation.
Alright, so you say we definitely have to have one, the sorrel, definitely we have to have the Jamaican fruit cake.
Yes.
That's 2. Alright, so number 3, what else I think we need to have?
Me glimpse on your paper, so me say one.
Alright.
The gungo rice and peas.
No, me no say that I gonna call it that. Don't gungo no peas.
Yeah, gungo. So that be gungo and rice.
Gungo peas and rice.
Gungo peas.
But Jamaicans call it gungo rice and peas. Like, okay. But it's actually, gungo is that peas that people mostly use at Christmas time.
Yeah, or some other person, some person abroad call it beans. They call
Gungo
it
beans?
Yeah. All of them are classified, especially by Americans, as beans.
Oh.
Yeah, beans.
But so you call the round one and the long ones beans, whatever.
Yeah.
All
but
right.
we are Jamaican, so we say peas.
We say peas.
And the gungo, you know, the smaller type with the like a beigeish look. Yes. And for the gungo rice and peas, you know, the coconut milk. No coconut powder, you know. No, well, I guess for some families
nowadays,
but back in the days, that have to be some rich coconut great. And you use your hand and squeeze it, extract the quality milk. Yeah man, and that give it the right the perfect taste.
Yeah, so back in the day, everybody used, everybody that I know used to use the coconut, the fruit from the tree.
Yeah.
And but nowadays people are using coconut milk, whether it's in the powdered form or the milk.
Yeah, so you can comment and tell us which one you will be using.
Or and which ones you always use, or which one you always use or your preference. Because sometimes people use the actual powder or the milk in the tin, but then they actually really love the actual
the natural coconut milk.
Yeah, of course it has a little thing about it. It gives it that.
It give it a different taste. It just make it real authentic.
Yeah.
Real authentic rice and peas at time. Like.
Rice and peas, baby.
Yeah, gungo. Yeah.
Anyway, number 4. What's number 4, girl, for you? Manish water.
Yeah.
Well, maybe manish water is not your number 4, but that's number 4 for my list. So of course, manish water is that soup. Made from
the goat intestines.
Yes, definitely the manish water is made of the goat intestines or the tripe. We don't know, maybe like we don't have the gall in there, but you guys who know the details of it, yes. The head and the foot, and I think one manish water is really good, but I think you have to be careful with how you prepare it, since you're taking the intestine of the goat and putting it in it.
Has to be properly prepared.
The tongue of the goat is a part of it. I don't think they include the eyes, but
perhaps my family not even the tongue.
But when you bite a road, probably you very well eat the goat, like the goat tongue. Like we used to tell, like if you can't eat the goat foot, then why you can't eat the tongue? Like strip it. Or if you can't eat him gall or something like that, or him tripe, why you can't eat him tongue, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, but that's what manish water is, and it's tasty. People can use that belch bus gas just before them start eat, or set this pace for them start eat the whole heap of food. Yeah, so that's number 4, and then we can say, number 5 is definitely a variety of meats.
Yeah.
And this is where the goat now comes in also, as Gav was saying, curry goats.
Curry the goat.
So you find out, you have curry goats. People still have fried chicken.
Yes.
People have pot roast pork. People have roast beef. Yeah, well, I think ham is of more like, you think ham is something that like what if people in our country never used to really have? I think that ham is like a modern day thing.
Back in.
As far back as when you did have girl?
Me no remember.
Yeah, but
remember being very essential as a part of it. Everybody's supposed to put on weight around Christmas time,
especially Christmas Day.
Yeah.
So those, and another thing, and this is the brata, guys. You have to have red label wine.
Yeah.
I have to have red label wine. I
think we mostly use that for the baking though.
Yeah, well.
Not so much drinking. From my
maybe from your point of view, but from my country settings, deep rural, we had to have red label wine. Like, I don't know, is it that you want if you just tipping some of your cake, or you want if you just, my granny want to take a sip of it.
So love to have the chocolate tea. The chocolate tea is very important.
That? Yes. No, but at the old time, Jamaican do it at Christmas anyway, like a real true, yeah.
So is there anybody who still looks about the chocolate tea?
Yeah, without like the real cow's milk? Like you just get like,
Well, that's all like it a push it though.
No, like deep rural. Yo, me eat some healthy strong food, Yes, your chocolate tea with something, your condensed milk, or sometimes you have, I think maybe in my grandmother's era, even my mom, she would have had her chocolate tea with some cow's milk at some point. But remember, that had some smell, because my granny would put the nutmeg in there, or maybe a little vanilla for those for those persons who had like cinnamon and like that, would put that in there, and I tell you, that's it. You probably like eat that the morning with some stewed pork and maybe piece of roast breadfruits, or some
just
some Christmas bread.
Just a holy round bread.
Yes,
big
well
round bread.
Thick.
Yeah.
Well thick. So oh my gosh, guys, if you are interested in having an authentic or experiencing an authentic Jamaican Christmas, these are some of the things that you can look to find in a supermarket or so close to you. And go scour the internet and see what you can do, how you can prepare them, or ask a Jamaican friend next door. Right? So we hope this is setting the pace for you to get into the Christmas spirit, into the Christmas vibe, just a walk down memory lane, and for us to just put a laugh and a smile on our face during this time.
Yeah, especially with what is happening. Yeah. We still have to be positive and still have to do what we have to do.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for journeying with us. Thank you so much if you're new. Thank you for subscribing. Go ahead and hit that like button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what your
practices
are, right? Or what are those things that we missed that could definitely contribute to an authentic Jamaican Christmas experience. We love you guys. We appreciate you guys, and see you on our next journey.
Bye.